September 14th, 2011, KeyInfo launched their second annual CIO retreat at the Four Seasons Resort, Biltmore Hotel in beautiful Santa Barbara. Aside from bringing IT executives together for an intimate exchange of ideas, it was a lot of fun.
I came last year and really enjoyed the interaction between other CIOs that get together to talk about their IT environments and needs.
The bring your own device is really a hot topic.
It's very open discussion and very open forum. It's very different from other conferences.
The roundtable sessions will give us an opportunity really to talk more directly.
What I like about this conference is actually quite unique and very different from some of the other formats.
I'm just hoping to learn a few more things and sign up for different tracks.
Cloud, you hear about it all the time, but it's really nailing that down on what can you do.
Mobile applications and mobile device management is key.
It's going to be very interactive.
Audience are encouraged to participate. They also have the ability to opt in and choose specific sessions which make the most sense for them.
All good people and great sessions. I'm looking forward to the sessions tomorrow.
I'm Ed Nazarko, I'm with IBM. So you got a chance now to see kind of how Watson works. And what Watson was all about was trying to understand, what are you asking?
The next day brought together CIOs and industry leaders from IBM, VMware, Brocade, Cisco, Intel, and others in an engaging think tank format to acquire new insights into the critical issues facing the IT industry.
This event is very unique. We really get a chance to hear input from the client, so we've got a really unique venue to hear what their issues are, so we can bring them back and develop our solutions around what they do as clients. So I think this is a really unique venue to do that.
I like the interaction and networking with other CIOs. I'm a member of 3 or 4 different organizations, and this conference is CIOs only, and they do bring some vendors in that are very informative and assist in the roundtable discussions.
I think the conference is great. I was one of the panelists last year and also had a couple of breakout sessions last year. The same this year, I just finished my second session with 5 customers, and they get to share things with each other, which is just as vital as us getting to share our data with them.
The benefit of going to a virtual desktop model is that your virtual desktop is in your data center, and you have even more control over your data today than you have with a guy running around with a laptop with corporate data on it.
This particular format actually works very well because it's very engaging. So it's a very unique format, and I've been talking to a lot of attendees, and we all found enormous value out of this type of a format and this type of a conference.
The day came to a gentle close with a warm sunset, drinks, dinner, and an inspirational talk given by NBA legend Jerry West.
The atmosphere of collaboration was great. The panel discussions certainly were insightful as we shared our individual business practices and how we can work together in a greater, more facilitated way. That was the most important part of today, is really hearing from all of the panelists and working with the CIOs and hearing their perspectives.
Had a great day, interacting with a lot of different CIOs. People are really anxious to learn and really interested in getting better from a technology standpoint, from a communication standpoint, and just helping their companies succeed. So it's just great to interact with a lot of different companies and learn some practical insights.
Actually, I networked a lot and met a lot of people who are in the same environment that I am. So I was able to foster ideas and talk about things that we're doing that they are doing also. Most of the other conferences I've been to are all the PowerPoint presentations. This one you actually talk about problems and issues. And Key was a big innovator for that.
It was not our objective when we set out to create this function to sell. It's about talking about things that are interesting to your organizations and applying those technologies into your organizations.
Find an occupation that you love and you'll never work a day in your life. Humility. It's the greatest word, I think, ever. Encourage the people you're around to be humble. If you're great at something, you don't have to tell anyone you're great at it. But if you're really, really the right kind of person, you're going to give from your heart. You're going to speak from your heart.